How to add photo sticker on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon under your story. Now simply select your photo or video. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top menu. Now tap on OK. Again tap on Not Now and click on Photo. Now select the photo you want to add as a sticker. Now adjust the position and click on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.